If you like this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh.
Hi, unboxing of AirPods Pro. This is an unboxing of Apple AirPods Pro wireless earbuds with MagSafe charging case. These AirPods Pro have the following features: active noise cancelling, transparency mode, spatial audio with dynamic head tracking places sound all around you. The earphones have customizable fit, are sweat and water resistant. They are Bluetooth headphones for iPhone, iPad, Mac and other devices. The MagSafe charging case with one full charge can give you more than 24 hours total listening time. With one full charge, the earpods can play music for up to 4.5 hours. You may also have quick access to Siri by simply saying, "Hey Siri." The setup is effortless. They sound clean and crisp, comfortable to use for a long time. The noise cancelling feature is really nice. Hope you enjoyed this video. Have a nice day.
Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh.